This is a brand new 2013 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include skid plates, a sunroof, heated seats, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, cruise control, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Pacific Honda is located at 4761 Convoy Street in San Diego. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.